In this video, Sammy's going to show you how you can replace your engine's battery on a 2018 Ford F250 equipped with a 6.2 gas V8 engine.
So the battery here, it's already loose. It's an 8mm. I just use that to loosen it. Once you loosen this nut, just don't grab by the wire, grab it by something sturdy, wiggle it off. Just like that. But we're putting this back on. Actually, no, we're changing the battery, so pop this off and put the new battery on. So down here, same idea. Mirror, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Pop these off. It looks like something I don't have the right size for. It's a 10. Bada boom. Bada bing. Pop this off. These, I mean, you can keep them in if you want to. Don't matter. And then you're just gonna find a way to pick it up without breaking your bat. Pull it out. Alright. Now just do it. Usually you want to try and be a bit more careful, but I was at a weird angle. Always remember, take the cap off the terminal. I put one of them on, put the other one on, wiggle this one down. Now tighten it up. Alright, now I can put the hold down back on.
Hola. ¿Qué pasa?
Oh, that's where I've never seen one of those before.
How much longer for you guys?
Oh, I know how this goes, I think.
Oh, that's it?
Now, slide this over.
You off, I'm not. I'll get it on Saturday. The corral looks good. Let me park so I can see.
Now we're going to softly impact those down, so turn the setting down. Won't make it crazy tight. Yep, I ain't going nowhere. So anytime you ever change the alternator, you always want to make sure it's working. So I'm going to use this little thingy here called a multimeter. Turn it on, and you're going to take red to red, black to black, and it'll tell you the volts the battery is at. So we can see here, I think I'm on the wrong setting. There we go. So you see here the battery's charging about 14.5 volts, which is where you want it to be. See the number staying constant, not dropping. So this alternator is properly charging.